everyone. It's Super Bowl weekend this weekend. Check it out. This is Jose Cervantes and Chance. Hey, I wanted to invite you guys to check out my fixture. I got a fixture coming up in Livermore. More information to come. If you want, you can always give me a call. I'd love to chat with you, always about real estate. My phone number 510-485-3893. Again, this is Jose Cervantes and Chance with Coldwell Banker Realty. I wanted to make it known that I have a fixture in Livermore ready, and I'm going to have it open tomorrow, Sunday, right before Super Bowl, between 10 and 1. It's in Livermore. If you guys are interested in a fixer, let me know. Okay, give me a call. Love to chat with you. Again, Jose Cervantes, 510-485-3893. Got real estate. Talk soon. Bye-bye.